Hello, everybody. Welcome back. It's Mo again. So, what we're going to do in this section actually is talk about the RSAT, which is Remote Server Administration Tools. What does that mean? Well, I have something called the RSAT that gets installed on a client machine. And from the client machine, I could manage Active Directory remotely without going to the server closet, without physically going to the server. I mean, I'm not just talking about Active Directory. I could remotely manage DNS, DHCP, any server role by installing the RSAT. Well, the first thing that I need is I have to have a client machine, which is Windows 10. And guess what? It's not part of the domain. So look what I'm going to do here. The first thing I'm going to do is join it to the domain. Give this a few seconds and scroll down, advanced system settings, computer name, change, and I'm going to join it to the domain. So this is udemy.local. Then okay. Give it a few seconds. There you go. Administrator and the password. And let's see what happens. Okay, let me click OK, OK, and restart. Well, what I need is I need to download something called the RSAT. That's what I actually need, the RSAT pack. So I'm going to go to New Windows here. I'm going to go to Google, all right, your best friend, and just type in RSAT for Windows 10, all right? And I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to download, and I'm going to choose that I'm using what? There you go, 64-bit and download. And I'm going to put it on my desktop. There we go. So now, I could have it for Windows 10. I could have it for Windows 11. It's on my physical machine. Let me just wait until this one logs in. Show you how it works. Let me just verify that it's actually there. There you go. It's right over here. I want to show you that I can't manage Active Directory without the RSAT pack, right? So this is something that I actually have to install. My main role over here in this lecture is to download the RSAT and install it and just show you how it looks like. And in our next lecture, we will see how we can remotely manage Active Directory from a Windows 10 machine. So let's give it a few more seconds until it logs in. Almost there, right? It's just the first time that you join the domain, of course, it takes a few extra seconds. I need to log on to the domain, so I'm going to put Udemy/administrator and then the actual passwords. And let's see how this works for us. So, of course, it's going to generate a new profile, right? Remember, the profile is going to be local. It's not roaming. It's just going to stay on the local machine. That's what it's going to do. So let's give this a few more seconds and see how this actually works for us. And I'm going to try and see if I could remotely manage Active Directory without pack, without this update that I'm about to install on the system itself. So let's see how it works. All right. Almost there. All right. When it's going to say almost there, that means that's it. It's actually done. I should be able to log on to the system. Right. So let's see how this works. All right. Okay. It's actually getting there. When I see that little, it's graying out, it's actually going to give me that option that it's actually almost there, that it's going to be actually logged in. Without this, it's going to be trouble. It's like I have to go to my physical server and manage Active Directory, manage all the roles from there. But no, why not do it from a client machine, right? That's the beauty about it. There you go. I should be able to be logged in right now. So watch this. If I go to the search over here, and I just type the word active, am I going to see Active Directory? No, I don't. Right? Okay. If I type DNS, will I see DNS? No, I don't. Well, why? Because I need to drag this right over here. Let me see if I could drag and drop. No. How about if I copy and paste? Oh, come on. You should be able to do it. Copy and paste. Copy. Come on. There you go. Eventually it got there. Okay. I'm going to launch it. It's just an update, folks. It's just an actual update. I'm going to click on yes. And I accept. It's going to take at least 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to pause the video for a moment and we'll be back soon. All right. So we'll see you guys in a moment. All right, folks, it looks like it finished. So I'm going to go ahead and click on close. As you see, but look what's going to happen right now. So if I type the word active, oh, there you go. I could see Active Directory used in computers, domains and trust, sites and services. If I type, for example, DNS, I could see that too. I'm actually interested in active. So I'm going to type Active Directory users and computers. And look, I have full control. Nothing is grayed out. That's what I wanted to show you in this lecture, that I could actually see the Active Directory users and computers. So in our next lecture, we're going to see how we could actually work on it remotely. So we'll see you folks in a moment. All right, everybody. Bye.